Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a custom theme on Facebook Messenger using AI. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open Facebook Messenger and click on any conversation you want to customize. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or group conversation. Once you're in the conversation, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see an information icon there, typically represented by a small circle with an eye inside it. Go ahead and click on this icon to access the conversation settings and customization options. After clicking the information icon, a menu will appear showing various details about the conversation. Look for the Customize option, which you'll find displayed right under the profile name of the person or group you're chatting with. Click on Customize to open up the theme settings where you can personalize the look and feel of your conversation. Once you're in the customization menu, make sure you're on the Theme tab at the top. This section is specifically dedicated to changing the visual appearance of your chat. You'll notice that Facebook Messenger gives you different options to choose from when creating your theme, making it easy to match your personal style or interests. Now you'll see two main options available: AI themes and upload an image. The AI themes option uses artificial intelligence to generate custom themes based on your description, while uploading an image lets you use your own pictures. For this tutorial, we're going to use the AI themes feature, so go ahead and click on AI themes. This is where the magic happens. In the text field that appears, describe the theme you want to create. Be as specific or creative as you like. For example, you could type something like Deadpool to get a theme inspired by that character. Once you've entered your description, click Send to submit your request to the AI. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the AI processes your request and generates your custom theme. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on the complexity of your description. The system is analyzing your input and creating a unique visual design that matches what you asked for. Once the AI finishes generating the theme and it appears on your screen, you'll be able to preview how it looks. If you're happy with the result, click Next to proceed. Finally, click Create to apply your new custom theme to the conversation. And that's it! You've successfully created a personalized AI-generated theme for your Facebook Messenger chat, giving your conversations a fresh and unique look that reflects your style. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.